Hey YouTubers, here's an easy one to fix your duet washer that won't drain. We're just going to remove this bottom panel. We've got it unplugged, and then we're going to put the panel underneath and open up the drain by turning it to the left, let a little water out, tighten it back up, get all the water out, and we're going to go ahead and pull out the coin trap and remove all the stuff that is blocking the drain. In this case it was a whole bunch of stuff. Then we'll go ahead and put the cover back in, tighten it up, give it a test, make sure it's draining, put the panel back into position. We'll add the screws back in, and now the washer should do a great job and be able to wash just like before. Here's a lot of the stuff that was in there, just a lot of things that probably built up over time. And now we're going to test it, and we have good drain, good spin function. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.